In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove or hide this Restream logo while you are streaming from Restream dashboard. So as you can see, currently I'm in my Restream stream or live dashboard, and here is the logo. So we can see a little cross icon at the top of this logo. So if I click on that, and we can see remove branding, upgrade your plan to remove branding. So if you're using Restream for free, then you won't be able to remove this Restream logo from your live stream. And if you're a paid user, then all you have to need is click on this cross option and your logo will be removed from your live stream. And to permanently remove your Restream logo from a paid user dashboard, just click on your profile photo, profile name, and here go to settings. In settings, select branding, and here you get branding option. Just disable branding option to permanently delete or remove your Restream logo while you are streaming using Restream. Thanks for watching.